Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to change your store on Spocket. I know that this can be a bit of a confusing process, so I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you understand what Spocket is. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from other retailers without having to carry any inventory yourself. This is a great way to start an online business, as it requires very little upfront investment. Now that we have a good understanding of what Spocket is, let's get started on how to change your store. Step 1. Log in to your Spocket account. The first step is to log in to your Spocket account. You can do this by going to the Spocket website and clicking on the Login button. Step 2. Click on the Settings tab. Once you are logged in, click on the Settings tab. Step 3. Click on the Stores tab. In the Settings tab, click on the Stores tab. Step 4. Click on the Edit button next to the store you want to change. In the Stores tab, you will see a list of all of your stores. Click on the Edit button next to the store you want to change. Step 5. Make your changes. In the Edit Store page, you can make changes to your store's name, address, email address, and website URL. Step 6. Click on the Save button. Once you have made your changes, click on the Save button. Step 7. Log out of your Spocket account. Now that you have saved your changes, you can log out of your Spocket account. Step 8. Log in to your Shopify account. The next step is to log in to your Shopify account. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store. Step 9. Click on the Apps tab. Once you are logged in to your Shopify account, click on the Apps tab. Step 10. Click on the Spocket app. In the Apps tab, click on the Spocket app. Step 11. Click on the Connect button. In the Spocket app, click on the Connect button. Step 12. Enter your Spocket API key. In the Connect window, enter your Spocket API key. You can find your API key in your Spocket account settings. Step 13. Click on the Connect button. Once you have entered your API key, click on the Connect button. Step 14. Select your store. In the Connect window, select the store that you want to change. Step 15. Click on the Connect button. Once you have selected your store, click on the Connect button. Step 16. Your store is now connected to Spocket. Your store is now connected to Spocket. You can now start adding products to your store from Spocket. That's how to change your store on Spocket. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.